There are hundreds of worker bees on this tree that has red berries and it has flowers. Well, the white flowers are attracting the bees because bees have a job. Their job is to collect nectar and also pollen. Now, all the bees that you're seeing outside are what you call worker bees. They're also female bees. The males are called drones. Their job, and to be honest, the worker bees live a couple of weeks. Their job is to collect honey. Nectar to make honey. Okay, and the purpose of honey is to feed their young and also as a fuel source for them like all year. So right now, as you can see, those bees are really, really busy. And they have a special way of collecting the nectar. They actually have 30 million hairs on them. And I know I'm going to try to get a closer look of the bees so you can see how they collect the honey. They have 30 million hairs that they're using, and they they actually have two jobs. Their two jobs to collect nectar and then also pollen. The nectar they store inside their stomachs. And so then when they go back to the hive, they'll deposit the nectar as a team, and they'll put it into the honeycomb. The other job that they do is they collect pollen, and that actually helps pollinate other flowers. And they make the pollen into honey bread. Right now, those bees are just covered with pollen, and they use their legs to wipe off their eyes so that they can see, because there's so much pollen. Now, the pollen is not stored in their stomachs, but they have sacs behind their legs that carry the pollen. Okay, why do bees make honey? As I said, they make honey as a source of fuel, and then people are able to eat the honey too. So it's helping the environment, and it's also helping people. Now, I think it's incredible that there are so many bees on this tree right now, and just knowing a little bit more information about bees makes you understand how important they are to the environment.